I feel like I should put music on. Yeah.
It's bad background noise.
Listen to you. Miss, I've vlogged before.
I haven't. What are we talking about?
I don't know.
It's very pretty outside. Very
It is
warm,
very
very
outside.
spring.
Mm-hmm.
Tomorrow's the first day of spring. At 1:20 something in the afternoon.
Yay! I'm gonna be doing homework all day.
It'll be 40 degrees someday next week and rain.
What?
Yeah.
All week?
No, just 1 or 2 days.
No.
Yeah. Yeah.
I just put away my raincoat and my winter coat cautiously.
Why?
Cautiously.
I'm not cautiously. That's over angry for spring.
No, it was cautious because look, my closet door is still kind of open.
How is that cautious? Cautious would be keeping it out.
No, I was cautiously putting it away though. Because I have no fucking room in my room.
You said you put it away cautiously.
Meaning I'm prepared to take it back out again.
I don't think cautiously really works
Listen,
well.
you're the one who effing forgot your jacket because you were so yay spring.
No, I was
Yeah.
so yay. Let me get the Harry Potter shit.
Oh, radio. Give me back my Pringles. Give it back to me.
You're burning my mouth anyways.
What?
You're burning my mouth anyways.
Are you serious?
I'm burning like my lip.
So?
There's one good part.
Oh. So good. I'm just kidding.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So we're going bowling with HPMA,
Mm-hmm.
Harry Potter from Massachusetts.
I don't know who's gonna be there. Hopefully a lot of people.
People. Peeps.
Peeps.
Some cool peeps.
Some cool peeps.
We're boring.
Well,
Come and dance.
no, you dance. You said they kept making music. There's bad background noise. You should watch this. I hate when they put stickers right on the thing. This one's gonna stick to it. This one might be
Mine is in plastic.
No, mine was in plastic too, but the stickers they put right on it at every time.
Why didn't they put it on the plastic?
Why didn't they?
Yep.
Because they're stupid. Ah! I'm like the FU guy right now.
What?
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 You say what?
How are we doing that right now? What?
What?
No, but with two people it's boring because...
Oh yeah. Just keeps going back and forth.
Yep. Yay! No! I'm worth more than $19.99. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh. This is in plastic? Anyways. What are we talking about, Carrie?
Kids being really loud outside the window.
But I missed that sound. What was that? Did you hear that?
Yeah, I don't know what that was.
Silly laptop.
Piece of shit.
Leave it alone, man! You are such a hater. Such a hater. I'm not giving you my Pringles for
I don't
this
want your
time.
Pringles.
Good. You ate half of them anyways.
It was a joint effort.
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
No.
I think so.
There's a video of you wrestling it from me.
You were wrestling it from me.
Yeah, but I have a right to them. You were trying to keep them from me.
I'm stopping this video.
What?
You're mean.
Whatever.
Oh. I see.
No, there's only so many in there.
Oh, are you hiding me?
You're gonna eat all of them. You're gonna eat all of them.
Fine.
Fine.
I don't even like the hard ones.
I don't know how you can eat the chewy ones. They're so gross. They're so good.
Ugh.
Oh. These taste so much better with milk. just wasted a cookie. You don't even like that kind. Wasting it. I could have eaten that.
Tastes like Cookie Crisp.
You're a Cookie Crisp.
Cookie Crisp.
What are we talking about?
You should edit the video so it has just like stuff of us just sitting here trying to figure out what to say.
What can we talk about?
Merlin. It's gonna be a long video at this rate.
Oh, it is.
I guess we can be done. Are there...
Is that my mom?
No, there's some kids in the hallway.
Are you sure?
Yeah, there's kids.
Oh.
Mom's crying. Screaming.
I don't know. I swear I hear an adult though, and it's my mom.
No, it's not.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye!